Alright, so here we have the Dell ThinkPad, or Adapt, yeah, never mind. T560. The choice is computer users everywhere. Not really, but I have a problem with the keyboard. The owner was cleaning the keyboard, and I think it was powered on at the time. So things quit working. So a lot of the keys just acted weird. I tried all the typical YouTube things. So I'm going to replace the keyboard first. But first, we need to shut this thing down. I want to remove the battery. Shut down. Shut down anyway. And then we'll take the keyboard out and replace it. Keyboard's fairly easy to get off. Actually, I'm going to make sure I have the right keyboard here before I even proceed anywhere. It's taped shut. I bought one from Amazon, a non-name brand. Oh, this one's all white. Oh, let's see. This is the wrong keyboard. And the reason I say that is it is not backlit. The backlit ones have the other connector. So here you take the battery out and you push that to the unlock. There's a little extra one here, and then the battery will pop out. And there you have it. You can start back with your work. Alright, so then you want to put the battery back in, and turn that around, and put the battery, kind of let it fall into its little groove here, slide it right back in, and then which one? This one, and then that one you push on, it has a lock position on it. Alright, and what won't seem long to you, but was really like 3 weeks. We got the new keyboard back, and it looks like the right one this time. So I'll remove this one. I already have the battery out. Alrighty. Let me look and make sure this has the screw holes in the right spot. That I did not check. Well, it scares me because I see a little piece of plastic hanging here. I'm not sure what that's all about. I have no idea what that is from. Let's see where the screw holes are for this. And if I slide this up, they should become visible. Looks like they're in the right spot. One, two, three, four. Yeah, they look like they're in the right spot. Two, three, four, 5th one, and here's the 6th one. This thing ain't gonna come out of here. There we go. They're all up. Looks like you just gotta slide forward and lean forward. Flip that up. The little wire retainers, you flip them up out of the way. Those pull out like so. We'll put the old one over here. Here comes the new one. Let's see how they were oriented. So they just bent back like that. It's a heck of a bend, huh? Okay. Well, let's make sure we get them plugged in all the way. Here's one. There's two. Seems like he's in. Sure does. All right. You get out of the way. You lean back in there. Make sure that it folds correctly. Make sure these screws are all up out of the way. Looks like that's in. Let's see if we can get this to go together. And see if it works. And I'll take a look at the other keyboard. Let's see if there's something off of that we can make work for this one. Two, three, 4, 5, 6. Okay, then these guys pull down. And we go slide this back down. Alright, I just had to walk this down with a razor blade. I left a couple little marks in it, but it kept getting wedged under there. Now it seems to be okay. It's a little bit tight. And I wonder if that's because of the fold in the keyboard, but everything seems to be okay. Now let's see if it works. I don't know, the battery may need charge. It's been just sitting for quite a while. Put that on lock and lock. Well, it turned on. That's a good thing. Well, boot it up. Now let's see if this works. OneDrive isn't signed in. I don't. Let me get a Word document up. Stating to type. Blank document. A, Shift A. Alright, everything seems to be working now. A, S, D, F, G, H, J, K, L. Alright, enter works. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Minus plus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Enter. Plus, minus. Now we turn this keyboard on. I don't know what that means.
You're making a video?
Alright, and I found out how to turn the keyboard lights on. You hit the function button and this, the space bar here. And it goes in one uprighter, out. So it's like level 1, level 2, and the next one will be out. Let me turn the lights off and see what it looks like. Oh, they look pretty well lit up. We'll turn them off and see. That's off. That's level 1. That's level 2. That looks nice. Alright, so the keys, I don't know, they'll feel like they're all on here and everything's working. Fortunately, it's a our clerk who does this and not some contractor that's going to carry this around and probably break the keys again. But everything seems to work, so I can X this away and shut it down. Don't save it. And we'll just shut you down. Probably wants to do some Windows updates, but I don't think I have it on my network here, so. Background tasks are running. You know what, I'm going to cancel this actually. I'm going to put it on my network and let it do Windows updates. Oh, actually, it is on my network. I'm going to do updates then. It's been turned off for 3 weeks. We all know how Windows is about that. I'll put it on the charger while it's here, and she'll have a nicely charged working computer tomorrow. Alright. Well, as painful as that was, yep, Windows. Thanks for watching, and if you have to do one of these, they're not that bad, but just be ready to work with some stuff if you're using an aftermarket keyboard. Thanks for watching.